And action! Oh, hi! My name is Sema and this is my brother MB.
Hi.
And today we're going to spread a little love.
Yuck. I'm not kissing anybody.
You don't have to. We're going to make a love walk.
A love word? What is that?
It's like a firework, but it lights up the world with love.
You can't be serious.
Oh, but I am. First, you get loads of lovely glitter and pour it into a used water carrier.
You are serious, aren't you?
Yep. Then you get loads of cherry cola and chewy candy, pink of course, and mix it all up with lots of love.
This is never gonna work. Huh?
Add some feathers, old streamers, and a little bit more love.
Huh?
Mwah, 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 mwah.
Now what?
Patience, MB. Patience. Stand back! Look! So beautiful. Wow. Well?
I suppose it kind of worked.
Mwah! Yeah. And action. Hi, my name is Sema, and this is my techie whiz kid brother MB.
Habari, how you doing?
Today, we're going to make a bongalala out of an old bucket,
Sema.
a mobile phone,
Sema!
and a battery pack.
Sema!
What is it? I'm talking to my friends.
But you need to tell them what a bongalala is.
Oh, yes. A
Mm-hmm.
bongalala is a silly robot invented by Tobor, the evil tyrant. That bumps into things and makes a mess of everything.
It makes me laugh every time I see it.
Right. To make your very own bongalala, you will need an old bucket, like this. Remove the handles, but hold on to them for later. Then you draw your face. You can do any face you want. A silly one, a scary one that looks like your mom or your teacher. For me, I'm going to make this silly bongalala face like this. Then attach some floor scrubbers for feet and an old battery pack.
Don't forget Babu's old mobile phone.
Ooh. Ta-da!
Samahani, mteja anayepigia hapa dukani kwa sasa. Sorry, the person you are ringing is not available at the moment. Sorry.
Oh!
Samahani, mteja anayepigia hapa
Get it.
dukani kwa sasa. Sorry, the person you are ringing is not available at the moment. Sorry.
Oops! And action!
Welcome to MB's Imagine Africa Football League. Imagine Africa are playing the rest of the world. And it's 3-3 in the final 10 minutes. They're rough again. Drogba flick kicks the ball to Toure, who dribbles past Messi, does a 1-2 around Ronaldo, who is left speechless. Through the legs of Neymar, and BAM! Into the goal! MB! 4-3 to Imagine Africa. Imagine!
MB, I need your help.
Imagine Africa are in the lead 4-3 with only 5 minutes to go. Ronaldo sprints along the sidelines like a cheetah. Deftly side kicks the ball to Neymar, who?
MB, I need your help.
No, now Sema, who? Oh no! Hits the ball into the back of the net. It's 4-4. Rest of the world 4, Imagine Africa 4. This is a disaster.
Tobor is up to his tricks again. He's going to flood the whole of Dunia.
Yeah. Give me a minute.
1 more minute and the whole of Dunia is going to be underwater.
But Toure intercepts once more. He dodges Mbappe, sails past Neymar, who for some reason just dives on the ground.
MB!
But Toure is still going towards the goal. He's going to.
MB, we've got to stop Tobor.
Missed the greatest goal in African history. Now look what you made him do.
MB, we've got to save the world.
Again? We always have to save the world. Can we let someone else do it just for once?
No.
Over to you.
Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel.